Damn!
Aww. It's a book. What's this? P.S. Dahil trentahin na ako, ahawaan na lang muna kita.
Si Jorns!
Aww.
No.
I just want to say thank you for saving and inspiring me. Thank you for all the advice and quotes of the day mo. It always helps me strive and become a better person. Si CL. Aww.
Ganun siya.
Wow! Tas yung chorus nakalagay dito. Naku, may plushie na naman. Kaso mukhang lalaki. Ano sila, ang cute. Birthday gift for the best. Si May! Yung author! Wow! Whoa! From Novel! Wow! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Renee's birthday. Wow! Ang cute naman. What the fuck?
What
the fuck? Ang cute naman. Cute. Whoa! Richie! Ang lagi nagbibigay ng cowboy hat. Aww. The llama. Oh. Kapitbahay. I know this will look good on you. I can't wait to see you wearing it. What is this? Lay. May mukha ko!
Ang galing. What the fuck?
Ang cute. Thank you, Maki. Strawberry. This from Vivian. This one's from Anne. Wow! Siya ng Renee Cash. Wow, hindi ako kayo tumingay. Tapos, yung mga sticker ni Maki.
Cookie ni Tala. Ang laki ng cookie ni Tala.